Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Daniel. I like to work on cars. And now we're going to work on this Audi. I made some videos on it. The doors and cleaned the inside. It's been outside all winter. It really hasn't seen much love since we moved up to the new house. This is a new garage for me at least. It's been a lot of work, but now I'm finally ready to get started on the Audi again, and yeah.
Er du fornøyd med teppet?
Okay, yeah, so I think I'll stop the episode here. I dropped the car 2 times trying to build this rotisserie. I looked at some plans and I thought I can do this better. I really couldn't. So I need to take a step back, rethink. I need to make the brackets all over again. The brackets didn't work. I thought the frame in the front feels so damn soft. I feel the whole car is wobbling, and I'm just I really don't want to put it to the test. So I think right now we still have the dashboard to take out. So I think we will just clean up the garage. I didn't film the whole rotisserie build because I was in a really time crunch. We were leaving for the weekend, so I was really trying to get it done. Stupid decision, bites me in the ass, but so I think we will just take a step back. So I think I'll end the episode here, and I will just clean the garage, and I will just make a simple frame for it now, which I can dolly around so we can move it outside and actually clean the garage. So I think in the next episode we will take a look at the rotisserie. But yeah, the whole car is more or less empty. It's only the dashboard and steering mechanism left. We took out everything underneath. The engine is loose. So the next episode is rotisserie and cleaning, I guess. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and if anyone want to send me a car rotisserie, I would be really happy. But yeah, thanks for trying to watch a episode of a Norwegian guy talking bad English, and yeah, see you in the next one.